Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best asphalt repair products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 3 is the Bluestar Flexible Asphalt Crack Filler. As the budget-friendly option on our list, this product is perfect for quick DIY repairs without breaking the bank. Bluestar's latex-based formula is designed to remain flexible in both hot and cold weather, which is key for preventing further cracking. The design is simple yet effective, with a compact 16 ounces bottle that includes a nozzle for easy application. No special tools required. It's capable of filling cracks up to 1 inch wide, making it suitable for most residential driveway repairs. The product is also proudly made in the USA, which adds to its appeal for those who prefer domestically manufactured goods. While the Bluestar Flexible Asphalt Crack Filler is affordable and easy to use, it's best suited for smaller jobs and lighter traffic areas. It may not last as long as premium options, and for larger cracks, it might require multiple applications. Overall, it's a fantastic entry-level product for homeowners looking to tackle minor repairs quickly and efficiently. At number 2, we have the Pothole Asphalt Crack Filler, which stands out for its high elasticity and self-leveling formula. Designed to adapt to ground movements and prevent settlement-related cracks, this is a versatile product for a wide range of asphalt repair jobs, from driveways to parking lots and even roadways. The design includes a 17.6 liter-ounce bottle with an easy-to-use nozzle, allowing for precise application. Its waterproof and weed-proof properties are a major benefit, as they prevent water infiltration and stop weeds from growing through cracks. The curing time is relatively quick, taking just 24 to 48 hours, which ensures a durable and long-lasting repair. While it offers excellent performance for its price, the Pothole Asphalt Crack Filler is best suited for medium-sized cracks and areas with light to moderate traffic. Heavy-use areas may require a stronger or thicker sealant. Overall, this product is a great choice for durability and versatility, offering advanced features at a competitive price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cracksticks 125-foot, half-inch Blacktop Crack Filler. This premium product is designed for professional-grade repairs and is hands-down the best option for large cracks or joints that require a durable, weather-resistant solution. With 125 feet of material, it's ideal for extensive repair projects and heavy traffic areas. The design is innovative and efficient, as Cracksticks uses a heat-applied formula that bonds tightly to asphalt surfaces. The lack of volatile organic compounds makes it environmentally friendly, and its weather resistance ensures long-lasting performance, even in extreme conditions. For deeper cracks, you can use backer rods, sand, or stone dust as a base before applying the filler. While the upfront cost is higher than other products, the value you get for the price is unmatched. This product is perfect for homeowners or contractors looking for a durable, professional-grade solution. The only downside is that it requires a heat source for application, so it's not as beginner-friendly as some of the other options on this list. Still, if you want the best of the best, Cracksticks is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.